Hey, cousins. I just wanted to give my brief testimony for the spiritual alignment class. So before the spiritual alignment class, I felt stuck. I felt like the last 3 years of my life has been just uncontrollable. And I'm typically the type of person that has order, and I just, everything is usually just put together. But I don't know, these last 3 years just been really tough, and I just know that God has been calling me to align with what He wants for me instead of what I'm choosing for myself. So I started the spiritual alignment class, and I'm not gonna lie, it wasn't easy, but it got easier over time. When you take in the spiritual alignment class, you have to choose to surrender, which is what I chose to do after I cried to Can about being disciplined. And she just told me, like, you could choose now or you could choose later. But Spirit is going to continue to call you. Or you can choose never, and you're going to remain in the cycles of your life. And so I wasn't fulfilled with just living life, with no purpose. So I decided to commit to the spiritual alignment class, and I chose to surrender each and every day. And I promise you, I began to feel the transformation. So they call me Storm, and I love butterflies so much. And so I think of myself as a butterfly. And before the spiritual alignment class, it was like I was a butterfly in a storm, and I was seeking protection because that's what butterflies do. They seek shelter in a storm. And the people in the spiritual alignment class, as well as Can, was my safe haven. And they made it comfortable to be me and to be transparent. And I love that. Thank you.